In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you the email that we sent you, how to use it. There are links inside of this email for you to click on and download the proper software in order for you to be able to use our system. I'm going to teach you how to calibrate them properly as well. So the screen you're looking at right now is the actual email sent to you. If you're not in your email, please get in your email right now. Pause this video, get there, open it up. In the subject line, it will say your dialer setup, and it's coming from info@outreachdevelopment.net. So let's go ahead and take a look inside the body of this email. Number one, assure you have the right equipment. The minimum requirements are as follows. Make sure you have at least 1 gigabyte of RAM. If you don't know what the memory is of your computer, then just give us a call. It's really easy to figure that out. Your monitor, minimum resolution of 1024 by 768. The system you're using, parts of it are complex, so you just really want to have good resolution to see everything well. It's not that big of a deal, but it makes your life a little bit easier. USB headset with built-in microphone. This has to be a USB headset. It cannot be anything other than a USB headset. Otherwise, it just will not work properly for the system. Internet speed of 512 or better connected via Ethernet. If you're operating a laptop, don't use Wi-Fi. There's too much lagging in it and it drops too much. You will want to beat your head against the desk if you use Wi-Fi, so please just make sure that you have it hooked up with an actual Ethernet cable. If you need help with that, you can call us up and we'll walk you through it. Next, let's look at the downloads. Number two, download and install Microsoft Silverlight on your computer from here. So go ahead and click there. Click to install. And it pops up down here in your download bar. Once it's done, you'll go ahead and open it. Run. Install now. Alright, go ahead and close that. Now this step is absolutely crucial. Close your internet all the way out. Open it back up. You got to restart your internet browser, otherwise the Silverlight just doesn't work. Go ahead and go back to your email. Open up your email again. Sometimes when you install software and reset your browser, it might take a moment for it to catch back on again. Okay, back into the email. So you've got the Microsoft Silverlight on your computer. Now we need to download and install Xlite from here. So click here, and it pops it straight down into your download bar. So we'll wait for it to finish. Once it's done, you'll click on it. Go ahead and go through the prompts. Now with the Xlite, you'll see all of the instructions under number 4 in your email. I'll walk you through it step by step. Okay, we've got Xlite on the very bottom taskbar. Go ahead and open up, not the video screen, we don't always need that. You'll want to open this up so it pops up. Now, what I'm doing here, I'm going to remove my stuff out of here. This is what you will see. No SIP accounts are enabled when you first open it up. Now let's look back number 4 when setting up Xlite. Right click on the screen of your Xlite softphone, which is this right here. Right click, go to SIP account, settings, and then select add. Now back over here into your email, place your extension in the boxes to the right of display name, username, and authorization username. Your extension is. The email you get will have the actual 4-digit extension number, not hashtags. I just didn't want to put that in the video to throw people off. Alright, so you will enter in there your extension number, not what I'm typing, but the one in your email. Password. You want to just copy this, makes it easier. And paste it up there. Authorization username. Domain odsip.chasedatacorp.com. And now down here under domain proxy, make sure you check mark domain. Apply. OK. Close that. And then boom, here we are. You'll see it says ready. Your username is, and then whatever 4-digit extension you got in your email. Whatever 4-digit extension you got in your email, after you go through the little setup that I just showed you, it should absolutely match with the number that's up here. Alright, so you've got the software all installed. Now, we're going to go to your agent site. Click on the link right here, OD Dialer at chasedatacorp.com. This is the actual dialer system. Okay, as far as downloading all of the software, we're done. This tutorial is over. I'm just going to go another little step so that you can make sure that you do it properly. Your username will be your first and last name, with the first letters of your name being capital. Password is whatever password your manager has provided you with. You will have already gotten that password. Go ahead and log in. Extension. Mine just happens to be different because I'm on different extensions all the time. Yours should automatically say the 4-digit extension that you just set your Xlite up with. Make sure that this number and this number match. Now, do not ever click dial into system. You don't need to. Just don't do it. It'll mess things up for you. Under campaign, your manager will have already told you what campaign you will be dialing on. Just for the sake of this video, we're going to click on New Jersey, NJ, and start dialing. It'll take a moment. Okay, in the bottom right, you see you have this little box. Click answer. You'll answer it and you'll talk into it a little bit until it can hear you. Once it hears you, boom, it starts populating with numbers. Just click break up here so that you don't actually call somebody while you're just learning. Right here, this red reads my voice. This will read your voice. You want to make sure it could read your voice, otherwise you need to get into some serious settings and make sure that you've got the right USB headset. I prefer and recommend Logitech. So anyway, that's it. You are set up. In another tutorial video will be how to use the actual dialer system and how to log into it from scratch.